everyone, this is Mihai from Axway. Let's dive into what's new in the Transfer CFT December release. Before we start, please note the release is compatible with previous releases. Upgrading from CFT 3.6 or a previous release of CFT 3.10 is very easy. We have updated the OpenSSL library to version 3.0.7. We have updated the Azure SDK to 12.6.2. We have updated the Google Cloud SDK to 2.3.0. In the realm of user experience, Transfer CFT UI now features a new release indicator that signals when appropriate updates are available for your installation. CFT December release now has a major SFTP performance improvement in client mode when dealing with network latency. In this type of scenarios, the improved SFTP transfers are up to 72 times faster. Compared to third-party SFTP clients, Transfer CFT performs between 6.7% and up to 23.3% faster. The results may vary. The results were obtained performing transfer tests on cloud storages between different locations. Previously, when using Azure Blob with CFT, you could only push or pull files individually. As of the December release, you can now send multiple files simultaneously with Azure Blob, which can help increase productivity. Let me show you how it's done. Let's first see the configuration that's needed to make the transfers. We have the AZ write receive template, where we have the mandatory fields working dir for Azure, WF name for group of files, and storage account for access. Also, on the uconf configuration, we have two mandatory parameters that are easy to see when you type in Azure. We have the azure.storage, pointing to my storage account, and the connection string that's required to connect to the Azure storage. Now let's do a transfer. AZ write. The file name, it's a list of files to send. We have 3 files in the list. Let's hit OK. Refresh. Everything completed. If we check on the Azure Blob storage, we can see we have received the 3 files. In the catalog, the internal diagnostic codes are directly linked to the documentation to the relevant section. The transfer-related log messages are correctly styled and feature a clickable code. The copilot log displays additional authentication errors, reducing the need for specific traces. Thanks for watching. Please find more information and resources in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.